Guys, you want to go for a tractor ride? Let's go for a little tractor ride. So here's what's going on, guys. Trying to keep that engine down so you can hear me. Right up here across from our place, of course, like anything, they're logging. So it's really sad to see our trees are gone, but that's the way it is. It's, you know, not our property over there, and apparently a aggregate mining company bought the property, and I know who it is. They're tied up with my old employer, and they want this for aggregate, and that's also sad because this is gonna probably turn into a gravel pit eventually. It'd be close to go get gravel, but it is what it is, guys. So while we're at it, the police department wants to do some SWAT training, and there's a log cabin or a house cabin built on the property. So they're going to use it for training. And then, so the house will be demolished eventually. And so Weiss is going to bring their beautiful, beautiful Kenworth here and pick up their log machine. And you guys know I like Kenworths. There's a beaut. And the police SWAT team are here because they're gonna do a little bit of practicing. So looks like Mike has the excavator loaded up. And here's Courtney coming down here to say hi. Courtney, my man!
What's up?
What's up?
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah, that's way cool. That's a good sized machine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
150, 160,000 pounds.
Wow.
Yeah.
Got a nice Aspen lowboy. That's really cool.
They're like 19. This one's technically, when they did it, it's technically. So I mean, these things are so cool because everything on it, there's no computer.
I didn't think of that.
Yeah.
Being metric, because
You were going down that thing, you didn't feel like off balance?
no. I just make sure to not put myself in a spot where it feels right. Yeah. No, I know. I'm just feeling it out because. Yeah. So guys, does this look like a version of King of the Hill, Hank Hill? We should be standing around with our tractors. Yep. 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 Safe, and the boys are over doing their thing, but that is the view now. What used to look like that now looks like that, and from here we can actually see 167 off in the distance. I don't know if you can see it, but you'll have to look right through the trees there. I'll see if I can... No, sorry guys, that's as far as I can zoom.